Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to join a beta version of a app on Play Store. For the settings, you have to open Play Store. After opening Play Store, you have to search this app name, which app beta you want to join. Then click to Facebook Lite. I search Facebook. Here you can see beta option, join the beta. Click to join. At first you have to read the blog, try new features before they are officially released and give your feedback to the developer. Certain data on your use of the app will be collected, share with the developer to help improve the app. Click to join. Join beta program. Because features are in development, beta version may be unstable. Click to join. After clicking join, you will be joining to beta, adding your account to the program. It may take a few minutes. Wait for joining. After a few minutes, you can see here a notification you are a beta tester. You will see new features before the public does. Give your feedback to the developers to help them improve. You can leave the beta test at any time. Certain data on your use of the app will be collected and shared with the developer to help improve the app. You can leave by here to click the leave option. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.